You wake up broke, you work all week, you still can't breathe. That's not a glitch in the system, that is the system. They've trained you to be a financial slave, trained you to spend, to flex, to scroll. Every dollar you waste is another link in your own chains. You think you're free because you got paid? You're not free until your money works harder than you do. Centurions don't trade time for money. We build wealth while we sleep. Let me give it to you raw. If you can spend $20 at Taco Bell, you can invest $20 into an ETF. If you can pay $200 for shoes, you can buy 2 shares of VTI. Scrolls won't do this. They want comfort. They want applause. But we want legacy, control, power. Step 1, pick up your sword. Your sword is your first investment. Doesn't matter if it's $5, $10, or $50. It's the act of starting that separates centurions from the scrolls. Open a brokerage account, Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard. Set up auto investing weekly, same amount, no emotion. ETFs like VTI or SCHD. Track your gains, log it in your Compass journal. This is how your sword gets forged. Alright, so step 2 is all about building your shield. Think of your shield as your safety net. This means having an emergency fund, setting up a Roth IRA, and creating streams of passive income. These are the things that protect you when life throws those unexpected punches. You know, scrolls, they spend every dime they make. But centurions, they save 20%, invest 30%, and live on the rest. That's the shield we're talking about. Because in war and in life, if you don't defend your position, you lose ground. Simple as that. Alright, so start your Roth IRA, put in $6,500 a year, that's about $125 a week. Buy S&P 500 ETFs. Make sure you reinvest those dividends. Just watch it snowball, man. While scrolls flex your future stacks. Step 3, multiply your army. Your money has to recruit more money. That's honestly how the compound interest engine works. The earlier you start, the stronger your army gets. Here's the brutal truth. If you put away $100 a month starting at age 20, you'll have $500,000 by 60. But if you start at 30, it's only $250,000. Lose a decade and you lose half your army. Don't scroll past this. Wake up, pick up your sword, train your money to fight for you. Step 4, command your territory. Centurions don't live in fear. They study the terrain, they read, they learn how markets work. You want to master the compass? Then you need to understand your battlefield. So here's the thing, learn dollar cost averaging. Learn what a dividend is. And make sure you learn the difference between assets and liabilities. You know, a lot of folks just say, I don't get it. But centurions, they say, I will learn, I will lead. Remember, you command your financial territory when you kill ignorance with knowledge. Step 5, walk the compass. Every dollar invested is a step along the compass. So, self-image, you become a man of control. Goal setting, you fund your mission. Personal development, you build discipline. Health, you can afford it. Relationship, you become a provider. Money is the tool, not the god. But a centurion without tools is just another scroll with dreams and no power. You fix your finances, and you fix your future. You want more, you want freedom, then stop being a scroll. You're not a consumer, you're a builder, a fighter, a man of the compass. Right now, open your account, auto-invest into ETFs, start your Roth, track everything in your Compass journal. No excuses, no delay, this is your moment. Stack or stay stuck. Your tribe is waiting. We're building the next 1,000 legionnaires. Pick up your sword, earn your shield, walk the compass. Join the OLP nation of men. Journal it, share it, fight on.